Hello, welcome to ETU Garage. I'm Eugene Tordo, and today's video is going to be about how to use the parking brake on a C4 Corvette. Okay, like I was saying, today's video is going to be about how to use the parking brake on a C4 Corvette, and I'm going to use the owner's manual and read right from it. The C4 Corvette parking brake isn't like other parking brakes. It actually doesn't feel like it's working. If you're used to the old ratchet style kind of parking brakes where it pulls up and it ratchets and then you press the button and release it, and that releases your parking brake. The C4 one is a little bit different, and the one reason that they made it that way has to do with getting in and out of the car and where they located the handbrake or parking brake. If you go by the factory's owner's manual, it is called a parking brake. It's not called an e-brake, an emergency brake, or a handbrake. It's a parking brake. So let me open up the door, move the camera around, and we'll go over that a little bit more detail. All right, here we are in the car, and if you have a owner's manual, and this is for a 1990 Corvette, page 230 has the parking brake. And it says, I'm going to read just what it says, the parking brake lever is located between the driver's seat and the door, which is right here, where most traditional parking brakes are located in the middle. Okay, now I'll go over the procedure. To set the parking brake, hold the brake pedal down, then pull up the parking brake lever and return it to the down position. Pull it up again if needed to hold the car while it is parked. Return the lever down before you leave the driver's seat. Okay. And then to release it, it goes, here's how to release your parking brake. Hold the brake pedal down, then pull the parking brake lever up until you feel resistance, and the release button can be depressed. Hold the release button in until the brake lever is all the way down. Then it has a notice in big blue. Driving with the parking brake on can cause your rear brakes to overheat. You may have to replace them, and you could also damage other parts of your Corvette. Okay, so also, when you put the parking brake on, your light will come on the dash, a brake light. And one of the things that makes it different from other cars is they designed it so the lever goes down so you can get in and out of the car. They didn't have room to put it anywhere in the center, so they stuck it here on the side. And this is for 90 through 96. I forgot if the earlier ones had the parking brake on this side or not. Let me know down in the comment sections. It's been a while since I had one of the early ones, the 84 through 89s. But parking brake, or foot on the brake all the way down, or as hard as you can press it. Pull it up, it'll ratchet, and then you just push it down out of the way, and then you can get in and out of the car. Now to release it, and also you'll notice on your, like I said, with the ignition on, you'll see the brake light. But if ignition off, the brake light doesn't come on. To release it, press down on the pedal and pull it up so you can push the button in. Then push it down. And the parking brake light should go off. If it didn't, then it didn't go off. Mine didn't go off. Oh, there it goes. Now it went in. There she goes. And the brake light is off. Another thing about your parking brake on this C4 Corvette is it is self-adjusting. So you never have to adjust the parking brake cable. It's self-adjusting. There's no adjustments anywhere on the cable, the parking brake cables. I did a video on replacing the parking brake cables. I will leave a link somewhere up here, and that'll show you how to replace the cables. Yeah, the whole thing's designed to be self-adjusting, and the self-adjustment is built into the parking brake lever, not anywhere into the cables. Like on older cars, they'll have an adjustment where you can tighten or loosen the cables depending how you need to adjust them. C4 Corvette is not like that. It's self-adjusting. If you're having problems with your parking brakes not releasing, it's most likely your cables and not the lever. Usually what happens is, due to lack of use, because like I have an automatic, so I almost never use mine, they'll end up sticking or getting corroded, and then you'll end up having to replace them. So let me get out of the car and we'll finish up this video. All right, and I hope that helps you understand how to use your parking brake on a C4 Corvette. It is a little bit different from other cars, and having the owner's manual always helps, even though it's just little tidbit information like that. Having the owner's manual is helpful for like resetting your oil light, maintenance schedules, and all sorts of other interesting facts that are in here. Goes over the proper way how to remove and replace and store your target top in the back. So the owner's manual is always good to have. I don't really have much going on right now. The weather's been real nice. We're between heat waves, and I don't know if you see my last 3 videos were on travel. So that's what I've been doing. So in the future, hopefully I'll have some more videos working on the C4 Corvette, because that's usually what people want to see. But for now, that's all I have. Hope everyone's enjoying their summer. Hope everybody has a great day, and God bless.